Here at Taylor & Francis, we understand that as a faculty member it can be difficult to stay motivated and to manage your workload. So, we would like to share with you some top tips on job satisfaction and enjoyment, workload, and professional development that we have gathered from faculty members. We ask their top 3 joy zappers, and top 3 joy boosters in their roles. Make sure to remind yourself of the parts of your role you enjoy and ensure you focus on them. Why not consider these top tips for managing your workload? And why not consider these methods that other academics use? Your own professional development is key to staying motivated within any role. Consider these top tips from other academics for staying motivated in your teaching. We hope that these hints and tips will help you to stay motivated and manage your workload. You can find more of our free resources on our website.